Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. TikTok now doesn't have the feature of deleting all the repost videos at once. Even though you contact with customer support on TikTok, you won't be able to delete it on once. So you have to go through your TikTok application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on profile icon on down right corner. Then here you can see your profile. Now here you can see the repost icon, which is two arrows on the opposite directions. Tap on the repost icon. Then here you can see all the reposted videos. Now to delete the repost videos, you need to tap on the repost video. Then tap on the share icon on the right side. With that, tap on remove repost on the left side. With that, now here you need to continue this process to every other videos. With that, you'll be able to remove all the reposted videos on your TikTok. This is how we can delete all reposts on TikTok at once. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.